Alright, here's day 2 of trying to find a GoPro battery. I've been looking everywhere and I can't find one, and I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait to order one in. Or there's like a battery shortage, like a uranium shortage. Alright. Well, my Cardo just died. No music for me. Freaking detour. Shoot. Oh, that wasn't a detour. I got lucky. So I found a battery on, like, close to me, I think. But it's at Target. I fucking hate Target. I'll just shoot in there and out real quick. I don't like that store. Oh, there's a little biker friend up there. That's cool. I hate riding around in town. I'd rather be out on the highway. Oh, that's not a biker. He's on a scooter. Wow. On a frickin' scooter. That's cool. It's already weird riding around cars on a motorcycle. I wonder how it feels on a scooter. That thing can be very stable. Whoa, shit, he is moving. Damn, I'm doing like 40 miles an hour. That can't be. That thing's got to be able to that thing probably leans pretty quick. Oh, geez, you got going 45. I wonder if that's electric. Maybe it's a Tesla scooter. shit. Gotta have good brakes. Fingers crossed. I hope they have a battery. Shoot. I'm getting my windshield replaced on my car. I think they're calling me right now. Let's make this quick. Oh, I don't want to park this far out. Jeez, how busy is the store right now? The fuck? Alright, let's make this quick. Alright, well, there actually was no battery. Shit! I'm just gonna have to order one online and wait for it to come in. I might order a new GoPro. I need to get home and go grab my car. I wonder how powerful those Kawasaki Ninja H2s are. I know they're supercharged. It's like 300 horsepower or some shit, which is completely insane on a bike. That's fucking wild. 300 fucking horse. Can't even imagine what kind of how it even feels to ride one of those things. That's like in a whole another class of itself. Like you got the bigger naked bikes like the MT-09, MT-10, and like the Super Duke, like the 1290. And then you got the H2, which nothing can even touch. I also think it's a $30,000 bike or something, so that's kind of ugh. Damn, this thing has so much engine braking. I don't even have to hit the brake going down. It'll hold me. It'll hold me at speed. Alright guys, just a short video for you today. It's kind of part 2 of trying to find a damn battery. I don't know what's going on. No one has them. No luck at Target. No luck at Best Buy, which they should have them there. Oh well. Oh well. Well, like, subscribe, hit the bell button. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, guys.